Oh, hi.
Hi. We are finally doing a video. We're going to do a little vlog, and we are going to go to a couple of Amish farms. I want to get some veggies, and I want to show you guys. Well, I guess I should say I can't really film the Amish people.
Yeah, you can't film it.
I can't film the Amish people, but we're going to try and get as much footage as we can, and by that I mean I'm probably going to take pictures of the vegetables and stuff. And it's a dreary day here in Western Pennsylvania, so I'll try and get a little bit. What do you see? What do you see? Oh, hi, there's a kitty. Hi, kitty. That's got to be Thomas. We have, okay, like Thomas shows up at our house to eat, okay?
Yeah.
To eat and drink and be merry. And he also has his actual home, which is like a street over, which I think is his actual home, but, you know, he double dips. And that's okay.
Yeah.
We don't mind. We don't mind him double dipping, you know, so we always keep a food dish out for him and whatever cats or varmints show up. And yeah, so where are you going right now?
I don't know.
Go to the ATM machine, please. Yeah. We're going to the bank because, well, you know, the Amish, they don't take debit cards. you have to get cash out, right? And so we're going to go get some cash out, and then we are going to let's head towards work, and we'll stop at Mast's. I want to see if they have any donuts. There's a really, really cute Amish girl. She makes donuts and pastries. And what'd she have last time you were there? Did she have any, like... she usually has, like, noodles there, jams, jellies.
Yeah, I was
stuff
just
like
more
that.
Focused on the donuts.
Yeah. But she makes these really, really good cinnamon sugar glaze. Oh, my gosh, you guys, they're so good. So I brought a coffee with me. Brian might have to get himself a milk because he likes to drink milk with his stuff. But anyways, we will be right back. I just want to give you guys an intro, let you know what we were doing. So yeah, we're going to head out to the couple of Amish farms and show you what we get and what their prices are like. We got our cash. You look so gangster. Woo! Amish cash. You guys, we always get small bills when we go to the Amish because... in case that way they don't have to give back a lot of change, because you know it's just a good thing to do. And if we stop at a roadside stand that is self-serve and there's nobody there, which I might have Brian go to the self-serve stand, I don't know yet. You don't even know where that is, do you?
Ain't there one?
There's one out by Fairview Cheese past. I don't know if we'll go all the way out there, because although I think Chrissy said they were kind of stocked up. They're like, everybody's getting their peppers and onions and stuff. So anywho, so I like to get lots of bills, like smaller bills, so that if we go to the self-serve stand and nobody's there, you can kind of give them exact money, which if I give a little more, I don't care about that, you know, but because the prices are so good, right, sweetie? Yes. Okay, guys, we are on our way to Mast's donut place first. All right. I don't know. Everything's so high here. This is my favorite house on this road, you guys. It's a little saltbox house, and look at the little watermill in the back. Probably can't even see it. Here's the signs for where we're going. I mean, obviously there's some there that aren't, that we don't care about, but there's some night crawlers back that way. And then we are going to Sunset View Produce. They are open all year.
Try not to kill us here in this intersection.
This is the worst intersection, you guys. And then there is also a live bait up here. And we are going to go get some baked goods. Okay, guys, here's the lane for the donuts and stuff.
And they do custom-made boat covers.
Yeah, they do custom-made boat covers and all kind of stuff.
There's like 3 different custom
I'd love to live back here too. I don't know how if people can even hear us, sweetie, because I got my arm out the window. Guys, I have my window open because, yeah, but
See that guy down there does the boat
Yeah, so right here's where the lane splits off. And you can go get boat covers, and then there's like bait and baked goods back this way.
She's showing the boat cover house.
This is the boat cover house.
They got a nice place. Yeah. All Amish houses are.
Yeah, all Amish houses are very, very, very well kept. Very well maintained. Really pretty. I'm sorry if I'm shaking. And there's a baked goods sign. Yeah. That's where we're headed. There's already cars back here, you guys. We're like, oh my gosh, we're late. There's already people back here. Guys, it's the day of my dreams. Look, there's a baby cow back here.
Oh my gosh.
Like, stop it right now. Oh,
Look
gosh.
at that
Look at
little
him.
thing.
Look at him. Look at him. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at him. Ah! Look how cute he is.
He's skinny.
Oh, that's what I want right there. Cinnamon glazed. Good morning.
She's a YouTuber.
Babe, go ahead, pick out a dozen. We definitely want the cinnamon sugar glaze because that's my fave.
Let me get 4 of the. I got them last time. They were like.
The glaze.
Those are so good. You better get yourself a coconut one.
One of the coconut.
Just make it $10.
Okay, guys, we got our donuts. Can I just say this little cow is stinking adorable? It's raining, guys. Look at their little. Here's their buggies. Look at him. He's so cute. Babe, look at this cow. He's adorable. Okay, guys, we got our donuts. I'll show you them later when we get home, I think. I don't think I'm going to eat one right now because I will literally have it all over me. I'm sorry if I keep looking this way. I know my camera's over here, but are you happy to have donuts?
Yeah.
Yay, donuts. So we are very close to the produce place. We have a road behind work we call the Amish Turnpike, and that's where a lot of Amish farms are that you can stop at and buy all kind of baked goods and veggies and noodles and all kinds of things. So there's already people out.
Yeah.
There's already people out. So yeah, we actually weren't gonna leave till 8, so I'm glad we left before then. So yeah, we are gonna head over to
whose idea was it to leave early?
yours. So we'll give you credit where credit's due. It's really getting dark, so there's that. But all right, guys, I'm going to show you the road over to the produce place. Another gloomy day in western Pennsylvania. Well, that's a nice shot. Look there. That looks cool, doesn't it, guys?
Yeah.
With the farm, with the it's like so raining here right now, y'all. There's also a greenhouse up here, you guys. But there's also the produce, the greenhouse, and all of that. So we're really close. Here's where we go to get veggies. And Brian's wrecking. Look at all those sunflowers. OMG. The rain's making my camera not focusing. So here's Sunset. Slow down, please, sweetie. They have spinach, Swiss chard. Brian's just flying right by. Farm fresh eggs, sweet corn, peaches.
Show them the big sign.
Okay, we're back to the big sign. You're too close. There's the big sign. Okay. And here's the farm. They also do a pick. Oh, they even open? Pick your own flowers.
Yeah,
okay. Yeah, it does say open. Okay. So there's usually a bunch of pumpkins. They'll set all their pumpkins and stuff out here in pumpkin season. Brian's over here counting his money. Brian's over here counting his moldy money. Okay, we're going to get ready to go in right over here. Anything you're looking for in particular, sweetie? Lemon almonds?
Lemon almonds.
Lemon almonds. I think we should get a bag of potatoes, some peppers and onions, because I thought we could have fried potatoes tomorrow with eggs or something and toast for breakfast. And I don't know. We'll see what they got. Okay, guys, here we go. Shoot. Morning. How are you today?
Good. What about you?
Good. Do you want some tomatoes? Ooh, these English cucumbers. Chrissy said their lettuce was really, really good. Yeah. We should get like a head of lettuce.
Thing of noodles.
Yeah.
Some hamburger helper out of it.
Like bit wider noodles?
I don't know.
Or let's get these ones.
Potatoes.
Yeah.
Rhubarb. Ugh.
Let's get these small let's get these this one
Okay.
for $2.50. Chrissy said they were really good. I think I have butter at home, but oh, we do have some fudge. Cream cheese. Maple-nut fudge. That must be the Oreo one. I don't know, why don't you get a thing of dill pickles? Ooh, applesauce. This is my favorite. The coleslaw. So good. So good.
So good.
With the pretty flowers. Look at this view, guys. Look at all those pretty flowers. We've got our goods. We got our goods. We spent $24.50.
Jeez.
$24.50. I'll show you what we got. Well, technically $34.50 if you count the donuts, right?
Yes.
We spent $10 on donuts, so I'll show you what I got when we get home. Bye, Amish Farm. Look at the sky. Oh my goodness. It's looking a little rainy out there today. And you can come and pick your own flowers here if you want. There is another farm up the road. They don't sell vegetables, but they sell a lot of flowers in the summertime. They actually are going to start getting their mums out pretty soon for October. Well, actually, the self-serve stand guy, he has his mums already growing.
Really?
Yeah, me and Chrissy drove out there the other day, and look at that sky behind us. Ooh. Okay, we are on our way home, I think.
Maybe.
Where are we going?
I don't know.
Oh, okay. I think we're on our way home. And once we get home, I'll show you everything that we got. And yeah, okay. Be back in a few. Little Amish kids walking the road. Okay, so we are back from the Farm, and the cats are like sniffing everything, so sorry about that. So here we have the lettuce. This is $1. And then we got these 2 onions, and they were $1 each. Brian loves these. They're lemon cream almonds, so we got those. I got a couple of these carrots. We got the noodles. We got the small red potatoes. I think these were like $2. Not sure. I can't remember how much the peppers were. And then Brian got some dill pickles. And look at this lettuce, you guys. I mean, oh my gosh. And that's a cat toy right there. And there's Delilah. And then we got some donuts. We got these yummy donuts. Brian, can you reach down and get me a cinnamon sugar one? Okay, can you get me a cinnamon sugar one now? Mmm, nummy, nummy, nummy. Which one are you gonna eat? Ugh. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. All right, you guys. So that was our trip to the Amish market. Say hi, Brian.
Hi.
Okay, guys, we hope you enjoyed this little vlog. We are going to go and eat our donuts, and I hope you have a wonderful, amazing day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.